Hey dear, welcome back to the code behavior. So hope you are doing great. In today video, we'll see about the delete API, which is used to delete the record from the collection. Okay. So in previous video, we have seen about the update API, that is patch API. So let's see how to create, implement the delete API. So firstly, what we will do, we will just copy the patch API, and also you can copy like a comment, but for now we are copying the data function only. So just rename the function, that is delete user, and the like in case of update and delete, in both case we send the id of the like record with the into the URL. Okay, so यहाँ पे हमने id get कर ली है, and next we will check with the help of that id, like the same record exists into the collection or not. So if collection in the record not exist into the collection, so in that case we will throw error. And again, what we'll do, we need to delete this these lines. Okay, and again, existing user, the user that we have fetched, and in this case what we will do, we'll just remove that. Okay, so what we will use the function that we will use like remove. ठीक है, so हमने यहाँ पे remove कर दिया इसे. so जो existing user जो कि आपने find by id function से fetch किया था, उसको हमने यहाँ पे delete कर दिया. and you can see like you can write here like delete result, delete result. Okay, so if we get any update from the like executions, in that case we can write like record deleted successfully. Okay, so we can write here record deleted successfully. So if we get any result in the delete operation, in that case we'll return a response with the status 200, and with the message like here you can just copy paste delete result. Okay, and if we get any error, in that case we'll return status 500, and with the message internal server error. Okay, so let's check this API also whether it's working or not. So let's check. It is delete a user. So firstly हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, when you create any function, so in that case you have to also export this into the same file. Okay, so we have exported this, and one thing more, like we have to create route for this. Just copy this and user control dot delete user. Okay, and we have to modify the route, that is delete. Okay, so let's check into the postman. So just duplicate tab. Okay, so we have created a duplicate tab here, and now what we have to use, like instead of update we have to put delete. And id, this id we can see cdb. So when we go into the mongodb compass, so when we see the CDB record is last one record, where the name is Raghavendra, email is Raghav5, and the password is rag@12345. Okay, so this ID we are sending for the deleting the record. So what we can say here, so let's check into the body. We do not need to send anything here. Okay, so just run this, and what we will get here. Let's see internal server error. So we are getting some error. So let's check into the console of like Node.js console. So let's check once. Existing user remove is not a function. So here is we are getting any error. Let's check. Existing user and existing user, here we have user function, that is one thing like we have to modify, like this API is the delete API. Okay, so it is a delete API, and in postman we have also write delete. So let's put it delete and see again. We are again getting the error like the same is existing user dot remove is not a function. I think in like latest Mongo it is not a valid function for. So let's change it, like we can see user, we need to use here model user dot delete one, and here we have to pass the like condition here. So underscore id is user id. Okay, so let's check now what we can get here. So test into the postman and send the hit API, and here we can see result acknowledge true, delete count 1, and message record deleted successfully. Okay, so let's check like record is deleted or not. So we have deleted the last record. So last one is this record, so this record should be deleted, which is name of Raghavendra. So refresh it, and now we can see we have total three records only, and the last one is deleted. Now we are deleting like we have, this is rag test email, and this is rag 2, and this is rag. Okay, so we are deleting this one. So let's check into the postman by hitting the API. So paste this ID into here, and next see again the record is deleted. So let's verify into the mongodb compass. Again the record is deleted, and we have left only two record. So delete API is like working successfully, and hope you guys found this video helpful. And in next video we'll see about two main things, like जैसा कि आप यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, वी आर यूजिंग द लाइक हियर हार्ड कोडेड मैसेज. ओके, सो हम क्या करेंगे, हम एक नई फाइल क्रिएट करेंगे दैट विल बी लाइक constant.js. ओके, वहाँ पे हम अपने कांस्टेंट जितने भी थ्रू आउट ऑल ओवर द प्रोजेक्ट के जो कांस्टेंट यूज होंगे मैसेज के लिए या फिर अदर चीज़ के लिए, सो उस केस में हम क्या करेंगे, उसके लिए constant.js फाइल बनाएंगे, और वहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे कि जो भी मैसेज होंगे वहाँ से डायनेमिकली फेच होकर यहाँ पे यूज होंगे. ठीक है, पहली चीज़ है. एंड नेक्स्ट चीज वी विल सी अबाउट दी एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग. सो जैसा कि हम यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कि हमें यहाँ पे जो स्टेटस कोड हो गया या फिर एरर हो गए, वो हमें यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है कि मैनुअली हमें हर बार कोड लिखना पड़ रहा है. सो हम एक एक्सेप्शन हैंडलिंग की भी फाइल बनाएंगे, और वहाँ पे जितने भी टाइप की एक्सेप्शंस आ सकते हैं, थ्रो कर सकते हैं एरर, हम वो वहीं से हम हैंडल करेंगे. ओके, और इसे हम डायनेमिकली यहाँ पे यूज़ करेंगे. सो गाइज, होप यू फाउंड दिस वीडियो हेल्पफुल. सो इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो, please like this video and subscribe the channel, and we will meet in next video. So guys, see you soon in next video. Bye bye, take care.